The Papare got up with the Thomian captain Danushka Jayanetti. Danushka, what does it feel like to win the overall championship, the seniors?
Well, it's really nice. I mean, like, it's always nice to win an overall championship. So it's very convincing. I mean, competition was okay. Yeah, everyone came in, played their part, and it was good. So it's a convincing victory.
And having rowed for college for 6 years, what's the difference from the first year to the last?
First year, like, we were juniors and also under 16. That's all we had to worry about. But now we are obviously older, and then we are more responsible now. So other things come to play, and yeah, it's end of the day, it's all good. I mean, we row hard and we do our job. We do it for school.
Right, and the experience, this being an international event, what kind of experience did you all go through?
Definitely a new experience, especially in Sri Lanka. Bolgoda, it's good that they are promoting it here now. At CRC, we don't have the same course down. This is rather quite wavy, and conditions change like really quickly back here.
And talking in lines with that, the conditions. What do you have to talk? What do you have to say about the conditions
back here?
Yes, when compared to the Bere.
Well, it's completely different. Conditions here are rough waters, windy, basically. And back there, windy days like. Back there, the windy day is quite normal. Like, it's really good. You get glass water out there.
So, if you had to choose between Bolgoda and Bere, what would you choose?
It depends. Now, nationals will be rowed here, so that will be a 2-kilometer course. We have only 1K back there. So, when it comes to the Royal Thomian, we always go for it first. So, Bere Lake.
Right, competition-wise, how was it like? There were international teams as well.
Yeah, Pakistan was really competitive this regatta, and then not to forget Royal. They were very convincing, very good.
And you will be meeting Royal College in the upcoming regatta, the Royal Thomian. So, having beaten them now, what sort of mental preparation would you all go through prior to the regatta?
We've been coming off a winning streak from last year. Crews are good. We've got the numbers this year. Then everyone's pretty confident. We are going for a win, basically. Like throughout, we have several regattas coming up.
Right, that was the captain of St. Thomas's College, Danushka Jayanetti, talking to the Papare.